In this video, we're going to compute the following sum. 1 plus cosine pi over 5 plus cosine 2 pi over 5 plus cosine 3 pi over 5 plus cosine of 4 pi over 5. We can do this one in many different ways. One way is to represent these angles, pi over 5, 2 pi over 5, 3 pi over 5, and 4 pi over 5 on the unit circle. And notice that the cosine of these angles, okay, is symmetric, and get the sum equals 1. Okay, another way is that, and which is based on algebra, the one that we need, because we can't just verify this result by plotting them on the circle. We need algebra, and algebra, the best way doing algebra is this formula here for the cosine of A plus the cosine of B, which is equal to the cosine of A plus B over 2 times the cosine of A minus B over 2. Okay, here we're gonna choose A and B carefully just to make the computation easy. We can choose any angles. This will work for any angle, but to make it quick, we're gonna use these two here. We add these two, and later we add these two. Okay, so first, if we choose A to be pi over 5 and B 4 pi over 5, and we apply this result, we see that cosine of pi over 5 plus the cosine of 4 pi over 5 is 2 cosine of 4 pi over 5 plus pi over 5, which is pi, and divided by 2, we get pi over 2, times the cosine of this one here. We are not going to care about, because we get the cosine here of pi over 2, which is 0. So we don't need to compute this. That means these two are 0. Next, cosine of 2 pi over 5 times the cosine of 3 pi over 5 is 2 cosine of A plus B. A is 2 pi over 5 and B is 3 pi over 5. When we add these two, we get pi, and we divide by 2. That comes from here. We get the cosine of pi over 2 times the cosine of the difference. But we don't care about that, because we already get cosine of pi over 2, which is 0. Therefore, these cosines are 0, and therefore we have I is 1. Okay, so why do we need this result here? Okay, in the next video, we're gonna see that we can profit from this one here, from this sum, to find the cosine of pi over 5. And the cosine of pi over 5, or pi over some odd number, it's not easy to do, especially when these numbers become bigger, like pi over 35 or pi over 97 or anything. But here we're going to use this one here, this result that we get, to compute the cosine of pi over 5. How are we going to do that? That's next in this video.